Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So whenever you are opening an Instagram message, then you must be seeing this type of pop-up. So in this video, I will show you how to remove this instant feature from your Instagram account. So I will show you in my mobile screen. Open your Instagram account, go to Instagram message. So here you can see I have a pop-up. For this, click on this three line on the top right. Scroll down. You will see the option as content preference. Just click on this one and you have to enable this hide instant inbox. So once you will enable this, now if I will go back, you will see that icon is not there. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.